Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to dive a little deeper into our practice of wagon wheel here, looking at layering exercises to help us play all three layers together. Again, that's our strumming layer, our chording layer, and our singing layer. So often we try to, maybe we have, the strumming and the chording down, and then we try to add that singing, and it all falls apart, right? Either we lose track of the chord pattern, the strum pattern, we forget the lyrics, we just can't bring all three layers together. So here's what we're going to do. Let's give due diligence to our strumming and our chording. My guess is this is probably going to feel easiest for you, but it's good to review. Our strum pattern is the swing strum. Nice lilt. 1, 2, up 3, up 4, up 1, 2, up 3, up 4. Great. If you need some extra practice with it, I'll include the link to the tutorial below. Let's add the chords. C to G7 to A minor to F. Again, 1, 2, over to F for a full 8 bars. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time on your own. And pause. Great. I started with the strum, added the chords. You're welcome to do it the other way around. Start with your chord progression and a metronome, right? And then add the strum pattern in. You're welcome to do that too. Let's try a different two-layer combination. I'm going to start again with my strum, and now I'm going to add the words and the melody. Just the chorus, since it's nice and repetitive. Like this. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. And pause. Now, what I'm allowed to do there is really focus on how the melody, the singing layer, is connected and lines up with the strum pattern. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Right? So I can hear how those lyrics really line up with all my down strums. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Ooh, they even line up with the little up strums in between. Listen again. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Ooh, I like that. It really helps solidify that swing beat, both in the strum pattern and in the melody that I'm hearing in my ears. So let's try that again. Find your strum pattern. Take it as slow as you need to, right, in your own practice. Just add the words to the chorus. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Keep going. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. And pause. Great. You can do that as many times as you need to. Let's switch gears now to chording and singing together. So reminder, we're going from C to G7 to A minor to F, and then C to G7 to F for 2 bars. And I am going to need a little bit of a metronome for myself, or just to sway that internal beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, G7, 2, F. Let's add the lyrics now. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Keep going. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. And pause. Great. A little weird without that strum pattern, but it really forces you to feel the beat in your body because you're not doing it outside of your body there. Now, again, this gives me a really great chance to line up what of the melody and the lyrics I hear and the chords that I'm making here on my fretboard. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. So which lyrics, which notes line up with the chord changes, right? And what's the feeling in between that gets you ready to move from one chord to the next? It's all interrelated, right? It all kind of fits together like pieces in a puzzle. And how does it change, right? Hey, hey, there I'm relying more on the melody, right? Because I'm not really singing much. Mama, rock me, right? Sometimes I'm going to lean a little bit more on the lyrics. Let's try it again and see what you notice. Starting on the chorus now. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Keep going. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Pause there. Great. So we have done 3 different pairings of 2 layers each. Remember, we strummed and chorded, we strummed and sang, and now we just chorded and sang as well. That's a really nice way to divvy up your practice of a song. You can use Wagon Wheel as an example, of course, but you can apply it to any song that you're working on. You can do it all in one practice session for the day, or you can separate it out, especially if it's a new song, if it's a tough song. Just do one combination for each over the course of 3 days, and it all kind of trickles through, right? So stay tuned. There will be more videos coming this week with some other approaches to this song, just to use as an example for how you can use more layering exercises in your own practice. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe below. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new videos have been posted. You might also consider becoming a member, which you can do at different levels, gets you different perks, and again, is a great way to say thank you and keep this channel going. Really appreciate your support. You can learn more about my work at averyhill.studio. Thanks so much.